Hi, welcome to SSK Beyond the Stumps. I'm Arun and I have a very special guest to kickstart our 2025 session today. He's our club's finest swing bowler, a stylish batsman, and our ever reliable treasurer. But he's taken up what is probably his most rewarding job yet, a proud young father. It's a real pleasure to welcome Manas Agarwal to our show. Manas, thanks for doing this. Welcome.
Hey Arun, thanks for inviting me and saying such kind words for me.
Thank you. So Manas, I know you are extremely passionate about the game, but why don't you share with us how did your cricketing journey start? How early did you pick up the game?
So Arun, when I was a kid, I used to play cricket with my brother, elder brother and my father in the veranda of my house. And then as I grew older, there was a big garage where all my cousins used to come and we played. We had a really good time there.
Nice.
And then I started playing for my school cricket team and then in my college cricket team. And then when I got a job, I started working. I played with a couple of sports clubs, and that was my journey. And then I got busy with my career, and finally I joined SSK.
Nice. And so when did you start playing leather ball? From which age?
When I joined the school cricket club.
Nice. So quite early in your career, right? All right. So shifting gears, a lot of people in the club don't know that you're one of the founding members of the board of directors when we created that club formally, right? And this was, I think, within a few months of you joining the club. What really motivated you to come in, not just as a player, but as a board of director as well? What was the motivation behind it?
Yeah, so Arun, my journey with SSK started in September 21 when I joined the club. And then in 22, there was an election going on. And since I had time and I wanted to do something for the club, so I just enrolled for that and luckily I got selected. And since then I'm working for the board, working in the board.
No, I'm sure everybody's very grateful.
Thank you.
Shifting gears, coming on the field, right? So Manas, you've been playing with us for 3-4 years now, right? So why don't you talk to some of our newbies who are joining us? What does playing for SSK mean to the club and the game overall?
So SSK is definitely a cricket club, but it meant much more than that, at least for me. So I joined just purely from the cricketing perspective. But I really found some amazing friends whom I can talk to, share my thoughts, discuss my feelings. Also, I improved a lot as a cricketer and also made a lot of friends. So, just a simple advice to any new person who is joining the club. Enjoy the time here, make good friends, and you will definitely love it.
Nice, and that's very nice of you to say that. Let's talk about your time on the ground, right? So why don't you talk about a favorite memory of yours? It could be a match that you played or a certain moment in the ground which sticks to you. Even now, if you think about it, that's the one which comes to your mind. Which one would that be?
So actually, there are a few. So one match which I definitely cannot forget is the match against CCA, where one of my closest friend, Arun Rajagopal, and I had a little bit of banter, and we were basically racing behind 5-wicket haul. But unfortunately, none of us reached there, and we wrapped up the team in 14 in like 6 overs or 7 overs with just 14 runs, and we won the match in just 2 overs. So that was one of the dearest match. And the second is basically the league, SCTCA Fall League 2024, where I'm happy that I able to contribute with both bat and ball and help the team to reach finals.
No, lovely, and I remember that. And just for the viewers to know, that was not a planted question. Completely natural for Manas to tell me about that one. But we have the good memories, but then I'm sure you're always thinking of improvement, right? So if I were to give you a superpower or a magic wand to say you could change anything about your game, Manas, what would that be?
So I know I have the skill sets, both in batting and bowling. There are two things that I would like to improve. First of all, the confidence in my ability. So I still lacking the confidence of hitting shots, though I know I can. But that is one, and second is the fitness. So as I am getting older, the ability to run fast, run around the field, and put 100% on the field. So I still need to work on that, and probably that is the second thing which I want.
No, thanks. No, that's very important, and particularly the fitness portion, right? So Manas, let's do something different, right? For the last section, we will do a rapid fire, right? So I just need one-line answers, no stories, right?
Yeah.
So, batting or bowling, what do you like doing most?
Initially bowling, but now batting.
Still not a one-line answer, but still I'll take it. Hitting a sixer or bowling a batsman out, what gives you most
Definitely
satisfaction?
bowling a batsman.
Nice, I like that. Getting run out or getting bowled, which is the worst way that you are getting out?
Getting run out.
Last one, you spoke about this. Your favorite match, you got to pick one. Whether it's the 4-wicket haul against CCA or your match-winning performance against New Milford batting.
4-wicket haul against this.
You having
I
second
need
thoughts?
to change, yeah.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, I need to change. I think the match performance in SCTCA, because it was a pretty important league, and we were playing against really good teams. So, yeah, probably that.
Interesting. But no, I think that's good. Most of the questions I think I knew the answers, but Manas, that's all we have for today. So Manas, thanks for volunteering to do this with us, and I really wish a very, very successful 2025 session. But thanks for coming here and doing this on a nice sunny day today. So thank you.
Thanks for inviting me, Arun, and it was lovely talking to you.
Always a pleasure. So folks, there you go. We have Manas Agarwal joining us today. We hope to bring many more such episodes, introducing our team members to all of you. Thank you. Signing off. Bye.